Welcome back, YouTubers, Gunners, subscribers. Day 2 into Texas. Right now we got the car in this Airbnb. We've got some maintenance to do. We've got to flush out some fuel, pour some M1 in, and try to get this motor heated up. And hopefully Jamie can send us the traction control map. So yeah, we've got a lot to look forward to. Hopefully trying to race Saturday. There should be a test and tune at the track that the event is on Sunday, and yeah, try to put up a number. So let's start gunning. Car is so cold, the nitro's got the motor so cold it actually needs to get warmed up. So what we're trying to do is we're trying to heat up the motor before throwing the fuel in it and then getting it to fire up. The M1 is hotter because it runs at a 790 give or take specific gravity. So the higher the specific gravity, the colder the motor is. So try it, Trap. Fuel. Alright, I don't know where to start this video because we were in the garage and then the next day we continued it. So we're heading to Dallas. We heard about a place called Pecan Lodge, Lefty, Trappy. So we are heading down to downtown Dallas and let's see what it's about. Beautiful. Oh God, can't hold it. Alright, Gunners, we're here down in Commerce Street. A lot of dope artwork here. It looks like they have like a whole strip of these small little restaurants in this area. Right here by Main Street also. So I left the camera actually inside the truck and waited online. But I came back to get it because the line is ridiculous here at Pecan Lodge. So I'll show you guys right now what I'm talking about. And I don't know, man. Based off the line, it looks like this is going to be some good food. BD, you messing with this line, Trappy?
Trappy, you see this shit?
If this line is like this, it gotta be good, right?
It gotta be.
So the line's out there. And I guess you order your food and then you find a seat and then they call your number, you go grab your food. Let me get up in these people's business real quick. Let me get in their business. Hold on. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, this menu looks insane. My number's been called, boys. My number's been called. Excuse me, sorry. My number's been called, boys.
303, let me see your seat real quick. You need some extra plates?
Buddy.
303?
Oh my God, Trappy, look at that mac and cheese, Trappy.
Look at that mac and cheese. That's it.
How was your Trap? Good. How was your left?
Good. A little cold though.
Yeah, the brisket is cold. But good color. Good crunch. The beans were good. Keep trying this out. I'll be back, guys. Oh, that's off the bone, Trap. That's off the bone. Wow. That was off the. Let me see how it peeled. Let me see how it peeled.
Yeah, check me out.
Wow, that's crazy, yo. Yo, that's crazy. Nah, that's crazy.
It's crazy, love.
Nah, that's crazy. Stop. That's crazy. Don't do that no more. Stop. Now. That's crazy. Nah, that's crazy. That's crazy. That's crazy. Chill. Chill. That's crazy. Don't bring that over here.
I'm trying to get over there.
Don't bring that over here. That's crazy. Don't bring that over here. Don't do it. God, love. Love and disrespect.
Love.
Talk about it. Talk about
Food
it.
Network was here, but
Talk about it,
I
boys.
don't know, my nigga. Out of a
It
10,
was alright. It was
Hold on. Give me your score.
out of a
1 out of
10, 6.9.
6-9.
A lot of fat on the meat paws.
Good
Paws
score.
on the meat. The barbecues only had one flavor. You know, Food Network shit, I thought they would have had like at least 5 sauces on the table.
I think we gotta stick to more authentic. We need a full
Where are you going 1 out of 10?
1 out of 10. Well, 5.5 on them.
Rookie score.
Where you going with it?
Boys,
Where you at with it?
keep it real with y'all.
2 million. Keep it 2 million cash.
Keep it 2 million with y'all. 1 out of 10. I'm going with a 3.5. I wasn't. Yeah, the brisket.
That's walling for numbers.
The brisket was cold. The mac and cheese was not baked. The star of the show was the bread rolls.
Copy. The school cafeteria bread rolls.
The school cafeteria bread rolls was the star of the show.
Definitely was.
Roy's lemonade out of the fountain thing, decent.
Yeah,
decent.
out of a fountain. That's...
But the burnt ends was all fat. The banana pudding was good. It wasn't to crave about. Will I ever come back here again? Absolutely not.
Fuck no.
I'm gonna have a talk with my
We got it
boy
out the
Guy
way.
Fieri.
I'm all set. We're about at $30 each here. That's $90.
They got us.
You guys got us. Yeah, I'm not a man. I'm not a man for just salt and pepper. Need a little bit more flavor. You know what I mean? They could have stuffed it with maybe garlic, the brisket or something.
Yeah.
I don't.
You know what's the crazy shit?
I don't know.
There's all Mexicans in the back too.
And they know what it needs.
Nah,
But the owner's like, no.
We should have fucked up when on the menu it said serving single tamales.
Yeah.
Oh,
Fuck.
Fucking barbecue spot.
it is, boys. And this is what the pigeon ain't even really eating it. Look, pigeon really ain't even eating it. Look at it. What's this more? Look, he's not really digging down.
He's like that.
Oh, he's eating the mac and cheese. Yeah, bird food. Stuffing up some steak. Lefty's in charge of the rice. Picked up some nice porterhouses. Just a little.
The barbecue was so horrible earlier.
Oh my God! So we had to make our own dinner. We don't trust the Texicans' foods out here. So we got 2 nice pieces of porterhouse, seared at 4 minutes aside, and then we'll put them in the oven to broil them for about 4 minutes, and we're done. Should be cooked at like a medium rare. See how it comes out. Let that broil for about 5 minutes, medium rare. Took him. We got him, Danny.
Outback Steakhouse. One and done.
Gordon Ramsay, who the fuck do you think you are? So we let the steak rest for about 6-7 minutes. Now it's time to cut her up. So we have the filet mignon on one end, and we have the New York strip on one. Cut that filet off nice and easy. Look at that. Right off. That's what costs a lot of money. And come down this way here, down this alley. It's easier to cut straight forward. I just don't want to touch it. It's too greasy. There it is. Look at that color. Better cut, boys. Usually you'd see people do this, right? See them with the bone, and then they go like that, all cute and stuff, and they go, hey! Yo! My man! Who did this? Not the idiot that bought Nesquik.
It was him.
Not the nigga that bought
The one job he had.
9 pounds of cereal and ate 2 ounces. Not that nigga. Yo, bro, stick
this
the
shit.
wrenches, my nigga. I'm sleeping in the car, man.
Had one job.
The oven was bad.
The oven what? The oven what?
The oven was bad.
The oven was bad.